Here on the WIX editor, as you can see, as of right now, I'm using a US dollar as my currency. And then to change the currency, you need to go to your WIX dashboard by clicking right here at the top left of your screen on the side. And then you want to go to My Dashboard. Here at the dashboard, you want to go to your left side of your screen. And then you want to click on Settings right here at the bottom. On the settings, you want to scroll down until you find General. And then you want to click on Language and Region. On the region, you can just scroll down a bit until the currency, and then you can just click on the US dollar or any currency that you currently choose. Just click on it. So for example, I want to change my currency to euro, so I can just click on the euro. And then don't forget, you want to check the payment providers that you use is accepting the payment and the currency. Just click on the Got It. And there you go. My currency right now is changing to euro. And then after you change the currency, don't forget to click on Save at the top right of your screen. And then if I go back to my WIX site editor and then hit the refresh button at my browser, and as you can see, right now the currency on my website is euro. And that's how to change site currency on WIX. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.